Quicksort. Quicksort in ADA. Quicksort is based on the divide and conquer technique. The element is placed in proper position. Selecting pivot value from array. Example, draw the array. The first value is a pivot. First one is a pivot here. This is your pivot, and this is your mid value, and this is your mid element. This is your pivot element. Sorry, pivot elements. Right side of the mid value. This is just a structure. Or for example, you can easily understand. Example. In array 24, 12, 35, 23, 45, 34, 20, 48. Here plus infinity. Yes, he is lower, he is high. This is your pivot element. As of this, we'll compare the element. This is I, this is j. We'll run here onwards and here onwards. This is your I. We compare with the pivot. This side we should be larger than pivot value. It should be the lower than pivot value. Twelve is a greater than 24? No. 35 is a greater. Yes. Move to here I. This is your I. Now j. J is 48. 48 is less than pivot? No. 20 is less than. Move j here. J. No, I, j. Will swap. 20 will come here. 35 will go here, there. 24 as it is. This is your pivot again. 12, 20, 23, 45, 34, 35, 48 and plus infinity. Our I value is here, j value is our here. Now again compare. 23 is greater than 24? No. 45 is greater. Then I is here. I is here. Now compare j side. J is 35 now. 35 is less than 24? No. 34? No. 45? No. 23? Yes. This will move here. J this j, this I. The j value crosses I. This is j value 23. We have to swap. Whenever the I value cross j values cross I, we have to swap. First one, 24 will come here, 23 will come here. Now first is 23 now. 23, 12, 20, 24, 45, 34, 35, 48 plus infinity. Now see, this is your mid value 24. See, see the 24, the left side, the all is less than 24, 23, 12, 20. Yeah, right side is all greater than 24, 45, 34, 35, 48. Now divide here. Write this all. Don't write 24 up to here. 23, 12, 20. It is a mid value. It will be the middle. 45, 34, 35, 48. See, this is your mid pivot value. This is your pivot value now. This is your I value. This is your J value. Starting I, J. Now again compare. 23, 12 is greater than 23. No, 20 is no, sorry, infinity here, infinity. 20 also no, and then I comes to infinity and it will stop here. I value is infinity and start J. Is less than 23. Yes, 20 is less than 23. 20 is less than 23. Your I value is infinity, J value is 20. It crossed the I value J. Then in that case we have to swap first. That 20 is first now. 12 in 20 plus 23 will come. And here the pivot value is 45. 34 is greater than 45. No. 35 no. 48 yes. Your I value this. Now J value. J value is 48 is lesser than 45. No. 35 yes. It is your J. Again it's crossing the I value. Then in that case we have to swap. In this place 35, first place 35, 34, 48 and 40, 45 and 48. Now here this is your pivot now. 20, infinity, greater, 12 is greater. No, 23 is greater. Yes, it's I value. 20 now J value. J is less than 12. 20 no. 12 is less than. Yes, it's again it's crossing. We have to swap. J plus this. 20 will come second. 12 will come first. 12, 20, 23. This as is 24, 24, 24. We can keep. Then again this is your pivot. Compare again. 35, 34 is greater. No, 45 is greater. This is your I value. Now J value. J 40, 48 is less than. No, 45 is less than. No, 34 is less than. Lesser. It's your J. Again it's crossing the J. It's crossing the I. Sorry, it's crossing the I value. In that case we have to swap. This will first. This will come second. 34, 35, 45, 48. See now. Again this 12, 20, 23, mid value 24, 34, 35, 45, 48. see the order. This is quicksort. I hope you understand.